To import your CSV file into Excel, you can't just open it like you would a regular file. What you have to do instead is go to the Data tab and select Import from Text File. So we'll select lab3data.csv. You select Delimited file type, and it will ask you which row you want to start importing from. So when we look at the preview here, the first 6 rows are information about the experiment, so the timestamp, and row 6 actually tells us what data corresponds with which column. So the first column is time, then tank pressure, nozzle pressure, temperature, and thrust. But our data is in row 7, so we want to start importing from there. Our delimiter is a tab, and we want to import this into our spreadsheet. So once you've imported it, you have all the data within Excel, and the columns correspond with what's given in the initial 6 rows of the CSV file. So time, tank pressure, nozzle pressure, and so on. Alternatively, you can open this in Matlab. So when I open up Matlab here, within this folder I have lab3data.csv, so that's where all our data is stored. So to open it, we're going to store it in the array data, and we'll call on the command dlmread, which stands for delimit read. The first argument you have to put in is the name of the file, so it's path. So within single quotes we write lab3data.csv. Next it wants to know what type of delimiter, so we want to specify a tab. So the way that you do that in Matlab is within single quotes \t. Then it asks for the row that we want to start reading from. So in Matlab it's a bit different from Excel. They always start from row 0, and within Excel they started at row 1. So we want to start reading from row 6 in this case, and column 0. So when we run this, our array data will contain everything that we need. So again, the first column is the time, then the reservoir pressure, nozzle temperature, and the thrust.